Katay kajing na jurip na baro agliang mamla kaday hapo apsaw kunta hadin kajing siat jong uba PCM DSP ka West Jantia Hills ki Pulit Assam ki bakam ki bakla ki Pulit ka Meghalaya kum ki kaiklaw banlap ya kajing sisa halor kani kajing snack puli bakla jong ki Pulit Assam ya ki Pulit Meghalaya ki he Pulit bat Boston District bakin thup ya uba Esun Director General of Police Eastern Range uba DM Walang Acting Deputy Commissioner ka West Jantia Hills District ba MBCM Commandant ka 3rd Battalion uba M Muskor Additional SP ba El Tariang EAC Jowai kleha jurip lang siya kajaka baja kajing siat hamul ber haringkat kajing don lang UPC Saloy Director General of Police Central Range Dipu Udebujit Diori SP ka Hamran District Karita Huji SDO ka Hamran Ubidas ASP Bolongru Officer in Charge ka Hamran Batkiwei Nagalian ki Pulit ka Meghalaya ki basaki yakte ka jingja ka sniset jan kilapan pau khmat ki he Pulit Assam bahak kapor balapoy hakate ka sinong kilasha snet kuli ha Pulit Assam bat wat hadian bat kilaperta bagi di Pulit Meghalaya ngai ka jingtiar kuli kamsim la sange satia nagaliang kabadon Pulit Assam kat hadu bau Deputy SP ka West Jantia Hills ulangat ka jing siap
So this party, our police party, I see his party. So his vehicle position was like that. Yeah. So when they reached the particular spot, they spotted this they all come to someone raise his hand, telling that it was Meghalaya police. Then they were also saying that it was Assam police. Therefore, it stopped. No, that is how accident occurred. But that is the version. But their version is that when they reach here, they spotted the vehicle. Immediately when they saw them here, they started firing and they take cover. And the firing continues. And they also get down. They also get down from the vehicle. They immediately got down from the vehicle. And this IC of Raliang, when he's sensing that how this vehicle could be militant, so he said maybe Assam police. Then he shouted from here. He said, "We are Meghalaya police. Stop firing." After some time, then they stop firing. They also stop firing. Both sides fire. Of course. So it was really hideout was located this side. The terrain is like this. It cannot be made out from that place. We can go to the vehicle. We can see somebody putting here. You can see from that distance also. Misunderstanding. No, but it should not happen, that kind of confusion. Because they are coming in vehicle, no? That's why the confusion is there, because these people have been coming on vehicle, they are not any you could have stopped there, or they could have taken cover for started fire. They were coming on foot. That was why that is like that. No, but the village also is close by, no? It's not very far from the village. It's not an encounter place where there is a terrain and all that. But this is a road where the people also are going, public also. And he has spoken to SP. He has spoken to SP. Yesterday before coming here also they spoke, and he spoke to IC Mokolum yesterday morning. But when they reach here, they tried, but they because of the network problem, they couldn't contact. What IC is telling, he received a call about 8:30 or 8. The time he was crossing towards the village. Yes. He told the IC that he was coming already. He was out, and there were some inputs also. Yes. He says he was telling that हमारा DSP साहब आ रहा है, हम जा सकते हैं. ऐसे बोला. It was not telling. It was not told that they were actually coming. So he requested the IC that whenever you reach the border, you please let me know so that we can. But here there is no network. That was what IC was telling. That's but prior. He was already there. This village is far away. We went to that side. The village where this village. So he went to that village. There were some inputs coming that some security boys in this kind of OGDSs only, they were moving in this area. And they have been demanding from each of the families. Yeah, that is true. That has been communicated to SP by him on the 5th in writing. In writing it has been shared. Please conduct inquiry and take necessary action. That has been communicated by him to. He is in charge of SP because SP is on leave.
And then over phone also I contact you, sir, day 4 yesterday morning. That the LRP are being sent to just instill the confidence of the people.
LRP?
I mean the long
range patrolling. That has been informed. That has been, I don't know, between them.
That has no, I mean I informed you about this then, and then I said we are.
I told I was in contact with him all along. That is a fact. And they informed about the movement of KPLT. And that they are demanding money from each of the family members. That has been shared and that has been informed to me. I also told him that yes, it's a fact. I also received the input and we will conduct the operation very soon. And for anything in the local level, the concerned ICs will contact between themselves. In fact, the IC, where is my IC?
And
on that day even, they had a contact.
Yeah, contact
in the morning.
Morning at about 8.
And he informed also that we are coming.
Yes. Now he will tell.
He also is in charge of it.
In charge kahan?
ये दोनों in charge.
It is between them.
It was like this, it happens. Since we got a DSP sir also, he's spoken all.
हिंदी में बोलने से अच्छा है. I don't think so.
तो सर ने कांटेक्ट किया हुआ था पहले से, जैसे यहाँ पे हमारे काउंटर पर असम से. तो सुबह को भी मैंने कांटेक्ट किया, सर ने भी कांटेक्ट किया हुआ था, DSP सर ने भी. तो सर DSP सर ने यहाँ पे कांटेक्ट किया हुआ था आपके काउंटर पर यहाँ पे असम में. मैसेज भी सेंड किए थे जब यहाँ पे आए थे हम लोग. तो हम लोगों ने देखा कि जब उन्होंने कहा कि he is out somewhere, but when we reach here, there is no Assam police out here. हम लोगों ने पता तो एक्चुअली थाना इज वेरी फार अवे. तो जब हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे आया, यहाँ पे उन लोगों को ऑलरेडी कांटेक्ट किया हुआ था. मॉर्निंग में भी मैंने कहा था कि हम आ रहे हैं DSP साहब के साथ ही वहाँ पे, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी इंटीमेटेड हम लोग LRP के लिए आ रहे हैं. तो सुबह में भी हमने कांटेक्ट किया. यहाँ पे आया तो फोन तो नहीं मिल रहा है इनके साथ में. जब यहाँ पे आए हैं तो इंटीमेशन तो हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे आए हैं, सर ने ब्रीफ किया, हमने प्रॉपर्ली ब्रीफ किया. जिगजैग फॉर्मेशन तो हमने जस्ट स्टार्ट किया था, नॉट इवन 5 मिनट्स. हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे आगे में हमारे लोग थे, वो थोड़े आगे में थे. DSP सर और मैं यहाँ पे. I was in front. DSP sir was.
So this is the location, that it is
the vehicle.
So actually some boys were in the front.
The vehicle was there. Okay, that was the location.
So actually I didn't spotted the vehicle. Some boys were there in the front who had spotted the vehicle. Me and DSP sir were walking. We were just there.
There are boys who spotted the vehicle.
We spotted the
vehicle is there.
Since we have already intimated, so we were just walking by foot. So we thought that Assam police, they already know that we'll be conducting a LRP. So suddenly fighting start from there. Then all those boys, they separated. Then even we try to find out some hideout. We don't know whether it's militants or Assam police. Then I just thought of maybe it's Assam police also, because there will be more casualties. So I started shouting, just shout Meghalaya police. If it's Assam police, then they'll stop. Then I said shout. Everybody started shouting. Then fighting stopped. There was no intimation from the other side, whether it's Assam police or anything. Keep on fighting, sir, from that side. Hello. Then later, when fighting stopped, we just looked back and the DSP got shot. Because we were just walking by foot. We didn't anticipate that there will be the Assam police also, they'll be coming and this thing will happen.
मुझे 8 बजे कैप्टन म्यूजिक पे साहब ने फोन किया था. तो फोन पे हम बता दिया हम यहाँ में ऐसा वैसा हो रहा है, तो इसलिए हम मुलाबेर इलाका में है. अगर आप आने से पहले बोला था कि जब DSP साहब आएगा तो हम लोग भी जाएगा उधर में. तो ठीक है, आने से हमारा बॉर्डर पाने से हमको कम से कम फोन करो ऐसा बोला, क्योंकि हम लोग ऐसा ऑपरेशन का अंदर में घुसा रहा है जंगल के इस तरफ में. तो हम लोग को नहीं सोचा था कि आप लोग ऐसा ही आके
did you come like this on this?
Yes, sir. We do come. Met him also last time. There was some cases also. I do frequently call him.
When you go widely, that's okay. But do you go for this kind of LRP this area?
Yes, sir. Previously also there was some problem. So in fact, other IC
where
so this side only, this stop village only.
You
yes, stop village. Yesterday also, in fact, we were yes, sir, quite fast, sir. But
you are planning to go on foot, definitely.
yes, sir, because we thought that it's not safe because militants movement. If we go by vehicle, it's not very secure. So we went by foot only. And since intimation was already given, so we didn't expect all these things. But from the counterpart, there will be some lapses.
Now, do you think Meghalaya police coming? That is 100% sure. There are no such instances that seeing Meghalaya police they will fire up inside. There is no reason.
No, but I
Firing upon Meghalaya police.
if we assess properly, there's I think around 50 meters from here we'll see one building.
Yeah.
No, common sense should have been there.
Yes.
Because you will not shoot each other without verifying. And you are coming in a vehicle, and militants will not be traveling in a vehicle. That's why they are restrained. Otherwise, more people have been killed from Assam side. They exercise utmost restraint and not firing immediately after seeing your vehicle. That is application of the mind. But application of the mind from Assam side was not there.
No, that's okay. We'll do that aside. That we cannot verify. Because from what let's see. They were telling that as soon as they saw them here, maybe from the vehicle, they started firing from the vehicle and get them from the vehicle. There are people from behind. They go in. Only these 4 people who are in the front, they saw the vehicle. They saw the vehicle. One is pickup, they said is pickup van or pickup Mahindra, and the other white color, and the other he said ID Janta.
22 of them, we can bring all the 22 to sit.
They will say the same. And they also claim the same.
Hadirin belawai ke jingelang kepala penlong Hamolaikum Outpost Hamrem District. Habring kini kihia Pulit bat bos Sensa District ke Hamrem Assam. Nakaliang ubah Esun DIG Eastern Range ulai itu. Bakatay ke jingia keren kalong banyak penbek. Kenang bandang ni semat kon umdon syu ke jingia sungtu makala. Habadon kenu ke jing kenrai kiken hun kiang atiar klaim ke jing pentip lang na boro aliang.
Kalau ni kalau begini kendu lang ni, kendu kan ni ke jingja kerja kan ni buat kendu begini penbahai kan ni. Kenang bagenum jasu adi nabut.
Satu kadon kanu ka jimun tahu fian kendu mentas ni.
Akan mentah ini mentah. Kata bagi kendu lang bagi counterpart. Kenang bagi kin sungtu. Ye ke ba mangi kwa. Nomor syua penginuan sini ki. Uba in charge SP ula pentip ki Assam. Police. USP jong Assam, jong ka Hamrem. Unuan sini. Kinuan kendok ye gitu ka patrolling, long range patrolling. Tu in charge yung karaliang tu ula keren you tu in charge yung kani ka makoilo you long bangin wan sikini ki jaka andre kam sim tri kam gunda ti ndabe ki kendu am tu pat pasya kawe pat ha jingya lenti jengki lami no ani ke jingya siap kabala man sao no padu DSP
Pitharai hoto ka eka thai ka penlong ba haduk bon poi ka jing siat na thai long khamtam para kebriwaan.
Aku jing siap kalau ngeri kata kan lomba dia lap tip iki tenrei kam sintrikam tenrei la pentip iki bangi ngin move sini la deban kam adakar kan baki polis ki move ngla khaklemdon gono ga jing siap suan apa nakaliang jimi tu la deban kam adakar kan
ngaso ka meeting menero ngaso ba nakaliang ki Assam pat ki ong ba suwa bende kono ko operation haban kejok tiniki
mungkin haban ya pentip lang hoi kata kan yung banyak suatu lang coordination in haban ya pentip pangir ngimup sini kir kimup hakani but kir ki conduct operation tingin haban ya suatu lang kan karena mungkin tip bangir ngimup ba makir kimup haka nigi cakang ni naman ta kan ka operation ni gitu militan ki ba pendik ya gini kinong song ni apa ki diwan bisa naki ini ki KPLT kat basung tu diman bisa nagi nong song jong ni ka mulaber ka skap ki wi jaka ba martan
Nakaliang ubah di MW alang acting deputy commissioner ulai itu bayakane ke jing tokit on pendap no mardor khamtam hadian bakila 1 year hi syakasnong mulber kejaka baja ke jing set kuliah pedeng Pulit Assam Bad Meghalaya ulo ongru bayak kaipot on sapha no mardor syak sarkar
outcome na ba meeting manan mo milong reng decision ka Garbiang long Mr. Pivo kahain ano DIG jong ka Central Range jong ka Assam ang tayo kasimo jong Hamrem SP Diori jong ka Hamrem Police District nagalang jong iron hi ba Esun DIG jong ka Eastern Range ang tayo additional SP Moksor ang tayo District Repeat ito ka jaga ba sebor tareng kaya outcome kolong hadin mengilaikan ika bazaman din kalau mbak kadang ke miscommunication hapring ki atli ki state police force jom Assam Bad Meghalaya pan sawanda ini jingda badla orai mungkin ban nangi sahmat mangipa ya ki kinu ki message da gade dalam bar telefon ring bagi SMS kini bana confirm sure baga message ke bangi kan hapring ke level jom DSP ini ki IC level kadi ban daya sharu sigi level jom kini ki police constable ini ki commando team jong both sex kan baganong don ini ke jingda marada menen ada kadon kita ke information ke kita share na jom support ke disseminate information na IC level sharu ki commando jong Assam police secondary janja nomor kumbi imena ke spot ke lain ke jaga ke beja ke jingnya set ke bang ke distance na bagi don for atlet ko around 60 to 70 meters.
Agdai kesengi ki Pulit ke Meghalaya kila mudui da ke ejahar haka kendon arms persya ya in charge ke moikulum outpost bajak Pulit ke bedon lang bat kebadan ketiban siat ki Pulit ke jela Meghalaya hasnong mulber haka sing sejan haka por khatwei sausan am step kat ba kidang ya sakhnong mulber kebadan khapot ke jela Assam ban pelong ya ke jingai para hadian bagi pajba kate ke snong kebadan block 1 kila sha dawa pisa jubor ki subale no jongga Karbi People's Liberation Tigers ya gane ke ijahar bla mudoi de Pulit ke Meghalaya la register Hajowai police station bala IT how inspector V Upadhyaya ubalong officer in charge ke Jowai PS ban toket halor ke ni jingja namar bakate ke jingja kala ja ke snong briu kipat ba nong song snong ke layat ho bakila her sengeu lut masnyo sngo ya ke jingreu ki kuli katkum ke jinget ho da kipat ba masa akre ke snong ke jingya siat apden ki Pulit Assam Bad Meghalaya kala ja hajani yeng briu hi kabala poi hadu uput bakidon wat kidak phalang kuli haga wei ge yeng ke badang sna thmai hamulber uba Stephen uwei na ki nong song snong ulayat ho bakate ke jingya siat kala ja kapor khat aduna ai min step bat ulayo sngo kensan ya ka jingreu ki tang suloi bat kumta hi mador ulalum ya ki khun bat kalok ban batha ai ki ban thia madan ban laj na ka jing phalang ki kuli kabalane hadu kumba khatsan minute ai
ngai pornen step wan gi karya itu sini merhati por mot senyara gi Assam ita hamar te di chong ini hamar te pedung thom mamar pedung itu thia no ke baik na ya to spar na ngal thia wa te khon na thia itu te mo di por ba da yam to am thar ra na hadin te ke baik na kha ke tumong chong ni chong a thia na lan thia phri to than ta thia ga la mana thia te chi gam te chi pham kha sa min am yan di wat thum itu
kau sedang mensiap ini nang tei nang rum na
ngau thora ra pi ga da ong ba dei ale ta liang jan le ta snya tham le ta liang da khat khon nga la ko wi ni to to boy ni slot lu ni ta sa pa no ak wa da pedung ra ma ke na sini sini ba ma rum mi salai sanga pedung ada mana pedung ada khon nga la mi salai sta mana mi salai sta kayu kistu ini rum mi da ya thia ni tiap ini
kumakan lumi dan ikan ya
ante cepam kasamin ante jar ko itu sama ngalah ini ante komodor sa ante cepam kasamin